Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva for marketing asset strategy step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.canva.com and press enter. Once the Canva homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be presented with several options to sign in. If you already have an account, you can enter your email address and password in the designated fields. Alternatively, if you registered via Google or Facebook, click on the respective button to log in through those accounts. After entering your details, click on the login button again. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Canva dashboard. Here, you can access your previous projects or start a new design. For marketing assets, select Create a Design from the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose the format suitable for your marketing needs. You can choose from templates specifically designed for social media, presentations, posters, and more. After selecting a template, you can customize it to fit your brand's requirements. Use the editing tools on the left sidebar to add text, images, and other elements. When satisfied with your design, click on the download button at the top right to save your work. Make sure to select the appropriate file type for your needs. After downloading, you can use your marketing assets as planned. Now you are ready to create and manage your marketing materials efficiently with Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.